welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great week and enjoying life. If you're new here, my name is Carly. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Welcome to my channel. So I just want to say a quick note. I want to say thank you so much to everyone that has already subscribed to my channel and is supporting my channel. We're at 428 subscribers now, which I cannot believe there is that many people watching me, but I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that supported my videos and likes them. This video today is going to be a Halloween makeup look, like a quick, well not quick, an easy Halloween makeup look, yeah, that we can all maybe do. So I've got my Halloween ears on, sparkly, and then I'm wearing this top that says I'm a mouse, duh, and it's Halloween Mean Girls. What you'll need for this makeup look, you'll need some red eyeliner, some red lipstick, your normal makeup items, an eyeshadow with red in it. So the one I'm using is the James Charles palette. So how we're going to start is we're going to prep the eyelids. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror right here. It's a purple mirror, yay. So I'm just going to prep the eyelids. So now the eyelids are prepped, we're going to set them. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette and I'm going to be using the shade Flashback just to set the eyelids. Right, I'm going to start off with like a neutral colour and it's called Canvas. So just go a bit of Canvas. You don't have to use the James Charles palette for this look. Any look will do that's got a red eyeshadow in it. I've seen it online used a lot with red, so I decided to do this one. Alright, so next colour I'm going to use is one called Punch Me. Punch Me. Oh, sorry. I used a MAC 224 brush to do that. Sorry everyone, forgot to mention. Now I'm going to be using a MAC 217 brush and the shade Mary. Because it's like a little bit of a reddish kind of colour. I'm doing this to give it a bit of base so I don't just go straight in with the red. Because going straight in with the red can be a bit scary. So we want to build it up a little bit, if you get what I'm saying. Now we're going to go in with the red. So this is going to be, hopefully we can get a bit good luck here and it'll go good. So the red shade we're going to be using is Your Kid In with the same brush. And just applying that in the crease. So now we're going to pack on a bit more of that red colour. As much red on as you want. So everyone, yeah, so now I've packed it on and blended out much as red as I want. I'm going to add a gold shimmer to the middle. So I'm going to be using a colour from the James Charles palette called So Good, which is a gold shade like this. So I'm going to be adding that to the eyelid. And I'm going to mix that with a shade called, oh my god, how funny, there's a shade in this thing called Halloween. It looks like this. Should I use that instead? Maybe a mix, oh, look at that shade. I think I'm going to use Halloween instead, everyone. I might put a bit of gold on the top just to give it a little bit of gleam. I'm going to use a brush. Real Techniques, I think it's called a detailer brush. I mean, it's rubbed off. I'm going to use that with a bit of this shade called Wig, which is a gold colour. Okay, maybe not. Just going to use my finger then. And I'm going to just put it on the inner corner. Bit like that. Woo, that looks nice, doesn't it? Okay, so yeah, now you can see I've got gold kind of in the eye. It's falling out a little bit onto my face, but that's fine. So next what we're going to do is we're going to curl eyelashes and mascara using Skinny Dip Eyelash Curler Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. So now eyelashes are done. We're going to now move on to eyebrows using the browsing. I keep dropping things, constantly dropping it. Right, I'm using the Benefit Browsings in shade 3 with the MAC 266 brush. So now my brows are done, I'm going to be doing my base. So for the base, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in shade 150 with the Real Technique stippling brush. Okay, so as you can see, it just gives me a bit of a more flawless base. I can get quite red skin, so this is going to just blur that out. So the next step is going to be a bit of concealer under my eyes. Under my eyes, we've got 2. So now what I'm going to do is just get a little brush, these 2 Unicorn Cosmetics brushes. Unfortunately, they don't have a name or number of what they're called on them, like the style of the brush. But one's just like a flat brush, and then the other one's like a little fluffy brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of add a bit of smokiness with some black eyeshadow on the outer edge of my eye, just because I think it will tie in with the look really well. So I'm just going to get like a line of it on that flat brush, and then just like that, if you can see, and then I get the little brush, I'm just going to blend it out, just so it gives it that deeper effect at the edge. If you can see, it gives it like a more sultry vibe. So I'm just going to do the same with the other eye, and then I'm going to go across the waterline with it. I do this because I'm not very great at liquid eyeliner, so this is my substitute for liquid eyeliner. It's black eyeshadow really, so if you're good at liquid eyeliner you can do that instead. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the bottom of my eye, under my eye. So I'm going to be using that brush I just used, that Unicorn Cosmetics, the little one with that red shade. Sorry if I'm making a funny face, but that's just what I do. So as you can see, that gives it more of a dramatic look just by adding that little bit at the bottom. I just like doing it. We're going to grab that red lip liner that's all we'll need, and we're going to add the lines on the face. I guess it's like is it like a clown look? I don't really know, but I've just seen it online, so I'm just doing that one. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make 2 lines above the eyebrows, and then we're going to want to make 2 joining lines to the lips. So we're going to do the lip liner first, just because it's easier to join the lines up. This is a lip liner, and it's by NYX, and it's called Slide On Glide On Stay On. It's in the shade Red Tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a lip liner. So do the lip liner, and then we'll do the lines on the face. Now I've added the lip liner. Might look a bit weird because I've got nothing in the middle, but yeah, I've got it on my hands too, that's fun. So now I'm going to do the 2 lines above the eyebrows. So I'd probably say from the mid, like just before the arch, I'm going to do mine. So, and then like a little, I'll just show you how I would do it. So that, a little line like that. This one looks, oh no. So let's do that line again. Oh my god, now it's rubbed off my eyebrow. How wonderful. This is the reality of trying to do a Halloween makeup look when you're not a makeup artist. Proper hard. I don't think they're even, but we're going to go with it. And then we're going to try and do the line from my eye to the mouth. That's a difficult bit, I think. I'm going to look in my mirror because I'm a bit scared. If I mess this up, there's no going back. That's a fucking disaster. Absolute disaster. And this funny thing is, it's the only red lip liner I own. It's not very glidey. Let's put it that way. Okay, so now I've fixed it, I'm gonna go to the other one. Okay, join it to the lips. What I'm gonna do, where's I put the lid? Oh no, oh there it is. What I'm gonna do is one of the little brushes, I'm gonna grab a bit of that red shadow and like shade around the lines to give it that more diffused look, not such harsh lines. With the shadow, I think it looks better with the eyeshadow added. I think that's kind of saved the look. So now I'm gonna add my red lipstick, which is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Colour Boy Collector. Oh, it's a cream lipstick. Right, there we go. You know what? Considering, I think it's turned out quite alright. I mean, I fixed it with the adding the eyeshadow, because I think adding the eyeshadow on top of the liner saved it a bit. So, take them off. I'm actually quite happy with that. I mean, I know the lines aren't exactly perfect, but I think I've done quite a good job for a first try. I've never actually done a Halloween makeup look. I normally just buy the blood stickers off a Pretty Little Thing or something and just stick them on my face. Thank you for watching my video today. Thank you for coming along and watching me try and nearly fail to do this makeup look. I'm really happy that I saved it and it didn't go as bad. I think it went better than I thought actually. I was really dreading what it was going to look like. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and leave me any comments down below. If you've tried any Halloween makeup looks, you can leave them down below. Or if you've got any tips for me next time round that I could try, leave them down below too. I appreciate any advice really, so that would be great. And please share it with your family and friends, turn on the notification bell, and thank you everyone for your support so far with my channel. I really appreciate it. So yeah, this is the finished look and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.